Alright guys, we got a review here on the Klein Tools. This is a digital angle gauge and level. So when you buy this thing, comes with a nice little to-go bag. What comes in it is the instructions and two AA batteries, which I already installed. And to install them, you need one screwdriver. So, how you turn it on? That button right there. How do you turn it off? You hold that button. There's 0 right there. Now turn it on. Now, it has a magnet base. The table is a little high. Perfect right there. So, what you also can do is hit this button here, says hold, and you could actually hold that. The other thing you can do too is you can put it on your saw blade like so. And when you crank the saw blade for an angle cut, say you're looking down and seeing what degree you're at, you can just watch this and then get the degree that you desire, and that's it. Now, one other thing that I thought was pretty neat too, and see, that's 46.1. Well, it's supposed to be at 45. So, right there, that says, oh, let me get focus. 45.9. Now remember, the table's a little off, so we gotta compensate for that. So this is definitely a 45 angle though. There's no other way it wouldn't be. See, it's screwing up because of my hand moving it. But anyways, I got one more thing to show you. That's down in the basement, so hold on guys and I'll get you down there. Okay, so the zoom in button on my eyesight is not doing well anymore. So seeing the hash marks on the lathe is pretty hard. I gotta use a monocle, and holding the monocle and trying to dial this in at the same time and tighten it down, that can be a little stress. So what I found was I could take this, slap it on the side of the tool holder, and then I can adjust to whatever angle I want, and then I just tighten this nut right here, and then when it's the desired amount exact, then I just tighten the other one, go back and tighten this one, and that's it. This right here is a upcoming project that I'll show you guys today, but that's in a later video. So that's it, guys. That's the Klein digital angle um, leveler. So if you guys like this content, be sure to give thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, hit that bell notification if you would, please. Later.